This video/stream is sponsored by Trader Central. Trader Central provides funding for traders, spot cryptocurrency exchange services, and access to trading tools like copy trade software, portfolio tracking, and a social platform exclusive for communicating with trader friends. Sign up now using the link in the description and get up to 30% off on your first plan.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. How are you all doing? Hope you had a great week this past week, as the market gave us plenty of opportunities to capitalize on. In this video, I want to talk about my analysis for Aussie USD, and I'm starting up with the weekly time frame and work my way down to the 4-hourly or hourly time frame where we normally take our entry. Now, on the weekly time frame, we can see that price has come down to this support area around the 0.685 area and tested it twice, forming this sort of double bottom pattern. And each time price got to this level, you can see the rejection here as well. This week's forming, which could be the start of a bullish move. And so looking at this alone, from the broad perspective, we'll be looking at something like this, sort of double bottom pattern, and expect price to continue to the top. Now, if we go to the daily time frame, we can see that when price got to this support area here that I mentioned previously, we can see that when price got there, quickly rejected off it, okay, forming this lovely bullish candle here, and then price went all the way to the top to this resistance area at the 0.725 area, and then price from there also retraced back down to that same support area of 0.685 area. From this nice bullish engulfing candle, price tried to push up but quickly retraced back down a little bit. So I said retrace because that's what I think this is. This could just possibly be a retracement, and price could bounce again from there and continue to the top. So something like this from here, quick retracement, and then continue to the top. Okay. On the other hand, price could also continue this down move all the way back down to this support area here, forming another double bottom pattern inside a major double bottom pattern. So, and we see this quite frequently in Forex as well. That area is the key area to see what is going to happen. And if price just continues this bearish move, then we'll be looking to see price reaction around the support area of 0.685 level. But if price gives us a bullish signal from here on the 4-hour or hourly time frame, then we'll be looking to take our buy trades and take it all the way to the top. So if we go further down to the 4-hourly time frame, we can see what's happening here as well. Price got into this area here, and then quickly, when it got to the top, rejected off back to the downside. And now, like I said previously, sorry, this is the hourly time frame. So the 4-hourly time frame, we can see price got to this area here, which is a level that has been tested previous times as well. If you could identify it, we can see it here, where price was tested here, and all these areas as well. So that area indeed was actually a significant area, and I'm sure most people did not identify the area and didn't know that price was going to reverse from there. But apparently that's what has happened so far. So now that we've identified it, what we're going to do is to see if price would continue down to form that double bottom pattern that I mentioned earlier here, or price would reverse from where it is currently. So for Aussie USD, that is what we're looking at. If again we draw a Fibonacci retracement, just to see if we are at a significant area where price could possibly reverse from, we can see this area actually got quite low, all the way down to the 78.6% Fibonacci retracement, which For me, it's not very strong. There's still that possibility that price could push it down. So with this, I'm not going to rush to take any buy trades at the moment. I'm going to be quite patient and see how price reacts. So the two ways I'm going to trade this Aussie USD will be one, to wait for price to get back down to support area here and then look for price reaction. So if price gives us a bullish signal from here, then I'll take my buy trade to the top. Now, if price breaks this pattern again to the downside, then I'll enter on a retest and sell my trades to the bottom. Okay, my bias is more towards price being a bullish trade and price buying from this level here. That's where my my bias lies towards. Okay, on the other hand, if price doesn't retrace all the way down to this level here, I would wait for price to break this previous area of significance. It is around this I would say around the 0.705 area. So if price breaks it, because it's not really a line, it's an area there. And if price breaks it, so price comes up, breaks this area, comes back to retest it and gives us a bullish signal, then I'll take my buy trade from there all the way to the top. Okay, so this, on the other hand, will just be the completion of the double bottom pattern we saw earlier. So that is this sort of double bottom pattern. So this will just be more or less a completion of that. Okay, but I wouldn't take price all the way from here. I would wait for price to break this resistance area and then enter my trade, and I would still profit from that as well. I think if that happens, I'll be looking to gain about 200 pips. Yeah, that's a very good trade actually. So it's one that I will just be patient enough to wait for to play out, and then I'll capitalize on that. So basically, this has been my analysis for Aussie USD. I hope you have found this video very helpful. And if you do, kindly leave a like, and if you haven't subscribed, kindly subscribe to the channel for more daily and weekly analysis videos. Thank you very much for watching, and have a lovely week ahead. Peace.
I can't forget the day we met. Your eyes so blue, me piercing through. I can't forget the day we met. Your smile so bright.